Hi, Sarah here with my December daily supplies video. This is just to show you what I'll be using throughout December to do, hopefully this year I will get it done, December daily. So I have the Simple Stories plastic pocket pages. It's a Becky Higgins album, which is probably about 5 years old, but that's fine with me. So that is the album I'll be using. I've got lots more in the spare album. I've got loads of pages, but I do want to also include some that are not inside inside the pockets as well, and try out lots of different things that I've seen. I've been inspired by everyone on Pinterest and Instagram and the YouTube people that have started setting things up. It's brilliant to see all the wonderful videos to help you along. For my main part, I'm going to be using the Santa Baby collection. I got this bumper pack off Louise at Thompson's Craft Supplies. It was $66.99, which is an absolute bargain. I think this is either last year or the year before this collection. I'll just take this out. So I will quickly move everything around and show you what I did get from Louise. I'm not going to go into great detail with this because I do have other things that I'm going to be using alongside this as well. So quickly, here are the papers that I got. I've got loads here. They have some of them have the specialty foiling on them as well. So there we go, there are my papers. They're mainly pinks, this lovely metallic pinky red. There's more rusty red colour in there, and some mint to contrast it, and quite complementary colours there. And there is a little hint of normal sort of leaf green in there as well, but it is mainly mint pink and red, I would say here. So that's all my papers, and I'll quickly just show you all the flowers. So I've got plenty to use here and plenty to then go on and use for just general Christmas crafts as well. I might make some ornaments or something off the page, like a canvas as well. Let me know below if you'd like to see that, if you'd like me to do a video of an off the page project. So, oh sorry, they were puffy stickers. These are ephemera, which have some acetate and then some normal that also have foil details. You might be able to pick up what they look like there. Some Say It in crystals, embellishments there, of course in matching colours. Some glitter hearts there, and some glitter snowflakes. I will probably make more of those, find some matching glitter cardstock. I'm sure I'll have some somewhere and make some more. There's these little stickers, a smaller size there, and then I've also got the smaller size papers here in the 6x6 pad. It's pretty much the same as what I've shown you, except the little ones. So I've got that some journaling note cards in 4x6. So I'll just quickly flip through them. Like I say, there's probably loads of detailed unboxings of this collection if you do manage to get hold of it and want to have a look at it. But I've got more to show you. So that is what I got from Thompson's Craft Supply. So an absolute bargain, ton of things to use here. So that is what I'm mainly going to be using. But then I'm also going to be using some other bits and bobs, which I'll show you now. These two pastes I think will work really well with the colour scheme, and they're both bunny. One is honeydew and one is copper, and they're glitter paste, and I got them from Mind the Scrap. And then I have snowflake paste and unicorn paste. This one is literally dries thick like snow, and this one is iridescent. It has large flakes and small flakes of iridescent glitter in. So I'll also be using this Candy Cane Lane Sweet Treat box by Paper, Pen and Plan. This is the Christmas themed one. I don't think there's any of these ones left, but I will leave a link to her where you can subscribe if you wanted to, and some details about her Sweet Treat box below, in case you wanted to buy one as well. So I'll quickly just unwrap this just so you can quickly see what's inside. I do have a haul video, but it's my little boy doing it, so it might not be ideal for having a look at what was inside, so I'll quickly do it here. You do get a lollipop as well. I'll just speed up for the rest. So that was what came in this box, and these are the pieces that I will use alongside this kit, and the rest I will use just for normal 12x12 Christmassy layouts, but not December daily. So in here I've got lots and lots of perspectives by Bramble Fox. I've got a ton of them in here. I've got snow globe ones. These ones here. I have like the little bases for them. And more snowflakes, more words, some big glitter words. Like this one is perfect for December daily. I will of course link this shop below as well. I believe they're all on sale now. They were pre-order, but I think they're all out now, these, and I think they're just, you can buy them now. And there's like little light ones. As you can see, the reason they're sort of cloudy is because they have a coating on them that you peel off. Like here, you just peel the coating off, and then obviously then they don't get scratched before you're using them. And I just picked out the colours that went with my colour scheme. I have also included this icy blue, which I may or may not use depending on whether I think it works with it. As well as that, I've got these sequins, which are also Paper, Pen and Plan. Some sequins here. These are all my Christmassy ones, which are from Lucy's Cards. I'll also link her shop because I'm sure she's got some. These ones are quite old, but I'm sure she's got some Christmas releases. And in the bottom here is more Paper, Pen and Plan. It's all things like stickers, doilies, lots of paper clips and fabric type things, so like pom-poms and twine and rick-rack, things like that. There's also some wooden embellishments, and Claire, who owns Paper Pen and Plan, she makes her own planner embellishment things. So I've got some lovely things that I can add on, like this little bookmarks, jingle bell mitten there, which I'll also use, and I'll probably use the blue and white flowers out of this, which was also from her shop on sale. Lots more doilies, some washi, and some more washi there, some glitter, and these are all, the bottom there is all Paper Pen and Plan again. And finally, I seem to have lost one more item. This was also in my kit from Louise at Thompson's Craft Supplies, which is the washi that goes with the Santa Baby collection. So that is everything I'm going to be using in theory. And I'm going to now arrange this all so that everything is really easy to get to. I separate it all up into sections that so I know exactly where everything is. So I will do that in a second video with just maybe an explanation at the beginning, and then just some Christmassy music and just me putting everything in boxes. So if you think you would like to see that, then make sure you click the notification bell so that you know when that video is live, because that one will come after this one. So thanks for joining me. I hope it hasn't been too long-winded for you, and I hope you found it interesting having a look at some of the supplies I'm going to be using. As I say, I will make sure I link all these wonderful UK shops below in case you want to go check them out. I'm not paid for any of this, it's not affiliate or anything like that. This is just shops that I like and would recommend. So yes, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!